This is a boat that came in that just got sold, and it wasn't properly winterized, so the freeze plug on the side of the engine popped out, and so when they were running it, it wasn't pumping any water through the engine, and that's one of the results when one gets hot. So it got so hot they thought it was on fire, so they popped a fire extinguisher, and it took us about as long to clean up the fire extinguisher off the boat than it is to fix the problem. Go ahead and start it. That was a freeze plug that was out with the rust around it. And the new boots on it down there. But I just looked at something, if you can see something right there that looks really special. Whoever put that belt on there put it on wrong. See, it's supposed to be on the other groove. It's supposed to be on the back groove to go to the alternator. Pop it in gear, give it a little gas. Okay, reverse. Clean and clear, so hopefully it's back to good.